Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Kristin Hildabrand. She's Warren County's Extension Agent for Horticulture. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, Kristin, I'm so excited that you're here today because you are going to share with viewers an upcoming program that we're actually going to be teaching together.
Yeah, we were joking off the air. We're like, this is the Kristi and Kristin show. But no, we really are excited because we get to do this class together. And mainly what we're focusing on is herb gardening. So I feel like, people are spending more time at home. Growing your own food has really taken off in the last little bit because of the pandemic. And so herb gardening is one of those trendy topics that I think a lot of people are catching on to. Herbs have a lot of benefits for the home gardener here in Kentucky. So first off, it doesn't require a lot of fertilizer like some of the vegetables do, and it's really, really low maintenance. So the care for a herb is a lot simpler compared to some of the vegetables and things that you can grow. But it also enhances a lot of our cooking dishes, and so I feel like people like the ease and care of growing herbs, but sometimes they fall short on how to cook with it. So the reason we call it the Kristi and Kristin show is because I'm going to focus mainly on growing herbs, and specifically we're going to focus on dill, but there's some other cool season herbs that can grow really well in the spring gardening months here in Kentucky. Dill is one of those that's really, really pretty. It's very delicate. The foliage is, and then too, it promotes, a lot of pretty flower, like an umbel-shaped type bloom that you can also use for flavoring dill pickles. So anyway, we may throw in some other cool season herbs, but that's mainly what we're going to touch on in the beginning of this program.
And the second part, Kristin, I'm really excited about is the cooking aspect. We are going to be doing a food demonstration using that dill. We'll be making the green beans with feta cheese and dill recipe. It's so good, so much flavor. We'll also be featuring a second recipe talking about some tricks and some garnishing techniques that we can use with that fresh herb. So, Kristin, I think it's just going to be a really good time, and it's so exciting because we are offering this class via Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
So tell us a little bit about how people can sign up for the class.
Well, like you said, Zoom seems to be the way to, function right now. So we're going to offer it via Zoom. Now, the date for this class is going to be on Thursday, March the 11th. So we have two choices as far as when that people can join. So if morning works better for you, you may want to take the first option, which is it begins at 10 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, March 11th. Or we have an evening time that if it best accommodates you, then you can join us at 6 o'clock. So what's vital is that if you're really interested in the growing and cooking with dill and other cool season herbs, we ask you to go ahead and register for the program so that way we know which link to send you to join that invite. And it'll be pretty easy. Like you said, we'll start out with the growing information first, and then like you said, you can do some of your cooking stuff, which I think the cooking part is the best part, really. Not to take away from the growing part of it too, because it can be very gratifying as well. But we're really excited that we get to do something together, you and I both, and we hope that people will call and register. And basically, they can just call the extension office here at 270-842-1681.
All right, so the growing and cooking with dill class is going to be Thursday, March 11th, 2 times 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. And that's going to take place via Zoom. And Kristin, if anyone has any questions about Zoom, we are happy to kind of talk them through that process if they have not been familiar with a Zoom meeting before.
Absolutely. We can walk you through it. It's really easy. So,
alrighty, Kristin. Now, is there a cost to this class?
It's absolutely free. So we have a lot of great information here that I think a lot of people will want to capitalize off of. And so we hope you all can join us on Thursday, March the 11th for more about growing and cooking with dill.
Alrighty, Kristin. I can't wait to do this class with you. If you're watching and have any questions about our growing and cooking with dill class, be sure to give us a call at the Warren County Cooperative Extension Office. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.